Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see Zebronics Zep Transformer M gaming mouse. So it's a gaming mouse from the brand Zebronics and it's also looking good. It has a lot of features, comes with the multicolor LED lights, and this gaming mouse is having a 1.8 meter of a braided cable, and it has up to 3600 of a Dpa switch, and the braided cable is comes with a gold plated USB port. So these are some of the features. Now let's unbox this gaming mouse and let's have a look on what are the accessories it contains. After opening the package, now inside the box you'll get a Zebronics mouse, and here is a user manual, a barcode. Once you scan that, you'll get the user manual, and then this is the Zebronics Zep Transformer M mouse. So the gaming mouse is actually looks good. So it has a sturdy and it looks like a beast, and it has some of the good design, and it has a multiple buttons, and the left side it has a dual buttons, and it has a dedicated left and right keys. So while you are clicking the mouse, so you will get a good pleasure on clicking the left and right click. So the clicking is actually dedicated, so you can able to feel that. And after that, on the front side here is the Dpa switch. So using this switch you can able to change the speed of the mouse, and I think it has a 4 different modes to control the speed of the mouse. And then it has a smooth scrolling scroll bar, and the scroll bar is, as you see in here, the scroll bar is actually very smooth while you are scrolling the mouse. And at the bottom there is a steel plate has been given. So the brand is actually claiming that you can able to use this mouse at any surface. So now let's check on that in this video whether it's actually working or not without the mouse pad. And then at the left side here is a 2 keys has been given. So these keys has been really helpful for you in case if you are a gamer means, and as well as in case if you are not a gamer also. So I am not a gamer, so for me it is actually helpful for me in case if I am actually browsing the web page means I can able to go back to the previous page, or I can able to forward to the next page, and at the same time in the file explorer also I can able to go back to the previous folder, or I can able to go to the next folder like that. So overall this mouse overview is so good. And on the front side here is the Zebronics logo. So here you will get some of the RGB color, different color lighting effects. So overall the Zebronics mouse is so good. So it has comes with a sturdy in design, and the build quality is so good, and it has a multiple lighting effects also. And while holding also you will get us very comfortable on holding. Now let's connect this mouse in my PC and explore how this mouse is actually works, and how the RGB lightings and how the Dpa switch is actually works like that. Well guys, now we have connected this mouse in my PC. Now this is Zebronics Zep Transformer mouse. The mouse is looking good. It has multiple RGB lighting effects. So it has 2 lights inside the mouse. One is at the back side and one at the front side. In the both the lights you will get a different color effects, and at the same time it has already shown it has a multiple buttons, and the clicking is also so good. So while you are clicking you can easily instantly click, and the clicking options are so good. And then the mouse scroll wheel is also super good. So as you see in here, it can instantly scroll, so there is no need to give extra force. You can easily scroll the mouse, and so like this. So I have never given a more pressure, and the wheel is also functioning so good. It has a very smooth scrolling. And at the front side here is a switch which changes the speed of the mouse whenever you are clicking on this. So the mouse speed has been changes. So as you see in here, now the mouse speed has been fast, and again I am clicking this. Now the mouse speed is something speed has been varying, and after that again clicking that, now the mouse speed is very slow. So like this you can change the mouse speed, so using this Dpa switch. So it's a very easy steps. And the one more thing is that I am already using another Zebronics mouse. It's also Zebronics brand. So in this mouse also I have a Dpa switch. Best feature is that whenever I am clicking on this Dpa switch, so it reflects it will blinks lights. So the light blinking speed is denotes the speed of the mouse. So now again clicking on this, now the light blinking has been fast, so that means the mouse speed of the mouse will be fast. And again I am clicking on that, now the blinking of the lights will be slow, so that means the now mouse will actually works very slowly only. As you see in here, the mouse is actually working very slow. So after that, so again I'm clicking continuously. So after clicking for 3 times, so now the mouse has been blinking fastly. So that means now the mouse has been working fastly. So this is how I can easily able to control this mouse using the Dpa switch. So I need so that is a perfect indication in this mouse. So via this lighting indication, it will blink fastly. So based on that, we can able to know that the mouse speed. So but this feature is actually missing in this new Zebronics transformer mouse. So you can able to change the change the speed of the mouse by using this Dpa switch. But you want to verify that every time while you're scrolling the mouse and you want to see in the screen, but there is no identification in this RGB lighting. So whenever you are clicking on this, there is no indication like this mouse. So there is no blinking lights fastly or slowly like that in this Zebronics transformer. So that is the one feature I am missing in this Zebronics transformer. And apart from that, it has a multiple RGB lighting effects. So at the back side, one different color effects will come, and the front side different color effects will come, and overall it's solid in look and it looks like a beast. So this weight is also too good, and at the bottom here is a steel plate, and as per the brand, they claims that so you can able to use in all the surfaces. But I try to use in my desk, but it's not working properly. But after using my mouse pad only, so it will works perfectly, and the mouse scrolling wheel is also so good. So overall it is one of the best mouse only. It has very good features having Dpa switch, and at the sides also you will have a two buttons. Using this button, in case if you are browsing web page, means you can go back to the web page by just clicking on this side buttons, and again clicking on this button you go front to the web page, and like that you can't able to reverse or forward the video using these keys. I tried that in the YouTube video, but we can't able to reverse or forward the video. So in case if you are in a Google Chrome browser, means you can go back to the previous page, or you can go forward to the next page like that. So that is the thing. And in case if you are a gamer, means you can use these keys for multiple purposes, and generally I didn't play games, so I didn't know about that. So overall it is one of the very good mouse. So the mouse quality is so good, it has an individual clicking, and the scrolling wheel is also so good. So now what are your guys thoughts on this Zebronics transformer mouse? Let me know in the comment section below. And in case if you guys already using this mouse, means let me share your experience in the comment section too. So that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.